absolutely love love stories, don't you? Well, today I have a really sweet one for you. Last week, Karan wrote into us telling us that he's getting married to the love of his life, Sneha. But he has a bit of a problem. Like every boy, he has absolutely no idea what to do with room decor. And his current bachelor pad, well, it's a bachelor pad. And he's quite certain that Sneha is going to hate the look and the feel of it. So he wants a whole new world to welcome his lovely bride into. But before Sneha gets her new space and her new family, there is a lot that needs to be done. Now, we have about 20 days till the wedding, and when I walked into the room is when I realized just how much needed change. So this is a large space and we really need to get cracking on it. Now, a lot of work needs to be done before it starts to feel like home. The wedding is in 17 days' time in Goa, which is all the time that we have to redo this entire space. Which also means that our architect for the week, Sonali, she's going to have her hands full.
Sonali Bhagwati is the president of Design Plus Architecture. She came in the next day and immediately took charge, with ideas pouring out on exactly what all the home team can do to give Sneha a whole new world.
Alright, so it is 10 days to the wedding and things are really heating up. We still haven't figured out the floor. Now, Sonali feels that a marble floor is a bit old school, so we will be going with wooden flooring.
Hi.
I'm Juhi. This is Sonali.
Hi.
Sonali is doing up a young married couple's room, and we were looking at some flooring options and wondering if you could help us.
Sure, why not?
You know, we have about 350-400 square feet of space.
Okay.
And I was looking at something which is a little bit warm, but a darker tone.
Okay.
And, you know, where the wood grains are nice and visible, not a very flattened out look.
We have some ranges that side.
Okay.
Yeah. We have a very nice color there. We have dark oak and, you know, with a chrome finish, and it looks very nice. You know, what do you say about it?
No, let's see what else you have. I mean, can you just
we have this product, which is a Wenge, and which is with the WG finish, which is more on a, you know, natural form of a timber.
What is WG?
It's a wood grain finish. So, you know, when you walk bare feet, you can feel the timber, you know.
I quite like this, Sonali.
Yeah, I think it's quite interesting. This has a nice character. It has a pronounced grains, you know, which is giving it a lot of body.
Yes. Okay. I think we'll just freeze on this.
Yeah, I'm okay with this. It's great.
Yeah, I like it too. Yeah. All right. Thank you, Akash. Maybe you could have this delivered to the site.
Sure. Pleasure.
Thank you once again.
Great. Thanks.
Thank you.
And they are off for the wedding. We have exactly 4 days before they come back. And I have a feeling that we are slightly behind schedule. We still have all the paint and flooring left, and of course, all the furniture that needs to be set up and the lights that need to be installed. I'm starting to get a little bit nervous.
With just 2 days left for the wedding, we are all set. The flooring team arrived in the morning to cover all 400 square feet of Karan and Sneha's room with timber.
So we're more or less set. Everything is in its place, and I must congratulate Sonali's eye for design. Now, Karan and Sneha are on their way, and they managed to finish just minutes before they walk in that door. All right, Sneha, this is your bit. You need to tear this and walk into your new space.
But before that, a quick trip down memory lane. This is what Karan's bachelor pad looked like.
Come on, do it. Do it. Yes. And ta-da!
Oh my God, this is amazing.
I want to know who was in charge of the floor, because that's going really well with everything else.
You know, we needed to choose a very neutral floor, which goes with everything that would come into the room.
Right.
And this sort of a walnut is a very nice color. It's very neutral. It receives different palettes. It receives different types of materials.
Right.
So we decided to go with this walnut.
I'm really happy that Sneha is so thrilled, and I'm also very happy for the both of them. They seem like a lovely couple, and I wish them all the love and happiness in the world. Thank you so much for sharing this with us. It is time for me to go, but I will be back with another story and another home makeover next week. For any further updates and information, all you need to do is log on to www.ndtvgoodtimes.com/homes. I'm Juhi, and I will see you next week to spread some more magic.